So I scraped off a small heap of good soil that I bought from a farm that I never got to use. I think I bought it 2 years ago and it's just been growing weeds in it. And this is the amount of good soil that I have. It's a lot. I mean, I can improve its waist height. Yeah, I can improve all of my garden beds with this. And the reason I removed it from this area is because it's not getting as much sun as it seems. It's early in the morning, relatively early. It's 11 o'clock. Later on it will be a shadow from those trees in this area, so that's why it's not really optimal for growing, especially later in the summer. In August, September, it's not getting as much sun, and in the spring as well it's just shadowy and snow covered quite late, until April. So I want to move more to the north because the sun is coming from the south, and the more north I go, the more sun exposure I get. And for example, that's why I have the greenhouse over here, and I have a very nice but totally overgrown strawberry field here, which I have to improve. It's giving a lot of strawberries. Doesn't look like much now. And then there is another garden bed. There are some garden beds here, but they are being shadowed by that little tree right now. However, later in the day they're bathing in sun. After let's say when the sun turns around at midday, they will have sun for the rest of the day. I am planning to make some garden beds, some raised garden beds over here in this area. This is a very sunny area. I already got some collars like these to build the raised garden beds. I have another 2 garden beds here which are very sunny. I have some salvia that survives on its own, no watering. Some other herbs. It's rosemary or thyme. It's barely alive, but. And then I have over here, I have another one which is with forest strawberries, the small ones. I have some blueberry bushes here that are not thriving because I accidentally keep cutting them down with a trimmer. Let's see, there's one here, might be a survivor over here. Here is one, and I don't know if there are more. This part is very sunny, very dry actually. It's difficult to water as well because the water sheds off. I have some grapes here. I have some of these, I don't know what they're called, but they're climbing up. Don't remember the name. It has a pretty name. Some grapes climbing up all the way, actually, over there. I'm gonna tie them up. Have another grape over here, climbing on this post. Another grape. I had 2 grapes here, but I accidentally killed one. I cut it out over here, but I have another one over here. Looks pretty dead. even though I watered it. Wow, poor guy. Yeah, it looks dead. Oh no. Oh, that's too bad. Oh man. Well, it's nature. I have another 3 garden beds here. I have some coriander, some lettuce, parsley, and dill. I don't know how it's called in English. There is nothing going on here, and as you see, the soil is really bad. It's super dry. So I'm gonna take out a scoop of the old dirt and put in a scoop of the new dirt. I just mix them up manually. Same thing here. The only thing is going on is this onion. I have another garden bed here, super dry. And this is the most sunny spot in the whole garden. Nothing's going on here, it's just totally deserted. It's only flowers growing wildly, just spreading out. These are all gonna be beautiful purple flowers. Those as well, I don't know what they're called. I have a small apple tree here. Look at that beetle. Never seen them. Is it munching on my apple blossoms? Wow, it's really digging in there. All right. Oh, another one. And another one. Never seen another one. They really seem to like this. Another one. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beetles. Are they killing my tree? Ah, man. I'm gonna let them be for now. Another 2 raised garden beds, nothing going on. Just wild growing over. So, all that dirt that I dug up will come to good use once I get around to it. Nothing growing here as well. So, plenty to do. Another super sunny spot here. I could put a garden bed, maybe squeeze it in here. I don't want it to be in the way too much, but it could be somewhere over there. And here as well, I could squeeze in one right here. Very sunny. So just want to use all the sunniest places to grow. Look at this apple tree. It's beautiful, blossoming away. It's gonna be full of apples this year, it seems. Even this tree, look at that, how nice it's blossoming. That one is not blossoming at all above the patio, but well, that's the way it is. Maybe next year. All right, let's continue digging.